Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OpenAI Responses API with Zapier for scalable automation. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have one, create a new account. Once logged in, navigate to the Zap section. Click on the Create Zap button typically found at the top right corner. In the Trigger App search bar, type webhook and select it. Choose the Catch Hook option from the list. Copy the unique webhook URL that Zapier provides you. Open a new tab and navigate to the OpenAI API documentation. Locate the section on the Responses API. Follow the instructions to set up your API call. In your API request, paste the Zapier webhook URL as the endpoint. Fill in the necessary headers and body required by the OpenAI API. Test your API request to ensure it's functioning correctly. Once verified, return to your Zapier setup. Click the Test Trigger button in Zapier to fetch the response from OpenAI. You should see the data from your API request appear in Zapier. Next, click on Add Action to define what happens next. In the Action App search bar, enter the application you want to connect to. Choose the specific action you want to perform with the data received. Map the fields from the OpenAI response to the Action App's requirements. Make sure to carefully configure all required fields. Once everything is set, click on Test Action to see if it works as expected. If the test is successful, proceed to the next step. Give your Zap a meaningful name to reflect its purpose. Finally, toggle the Zap to on to activate your automation. Your OpenAI Responses API is now successfully connected to Zapier for scalable automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.